Hi, welcome to Week 5, Cultural Diversity in Healthcare. This week we're going to create effective human resource strategies for the recruitment, training, and retention of a culturally diverse healthcare workforce. Breaking that down, we're going to articulate the value of having a culturally diverse healthcare workforce. We're going to identify two potential problems affecting quality in the absence of diversity in a healthcare facility, explain the need for sensitivity to cultural beliefs and values of others, including staff members and consumers, and develop a cultural diversity training program for healthcare employees. Again, part of preparation for this week is Chapter 14 in McWay. For our discussion, we are going to research and discuss the value for having a culturally diverse workforce in healthcare and describe diversity within your own healthcare or other work setting. What's the value of having a culturally diverse workforce? What kinds of problems in delivering quality care can arise by not having a culturally diverse workforce? Please feel free to share any situations relative to cultural diversity that you have experienced in your work environment and include any problems that may have resulted in the absence of cultural diversity. If there was an issue relating to cultural diversity in your work setting, how was it resolved? If it was not resolved, what would you do to address the issue? The assignment is to assume that you're an administrator of a healthcare facility and are required to provide educational training programs for your staff on cultural diversity. I want you to include an explanation of the need for sensitivity to cultural beliefs and values of others. Then you're going to develop this plan by using a PowerPoint presentation with voice overlay. You can find instructions to do this right on our Canvas homepage of our course. This presentation is going to include identifying the program topic, such as religious beliefs, sex, ethnicity, physically challenged. You choose. It can be whatever you want. Identify the program objectives to be accomplished by the training, similar to the objectives that we review every week. Determine subject content for the training plan. So look in some journals and find some contact for the specific thing you're going to train on. Establish and coordinate a schedule for attendance of the program. How are you going to get everybody to go there? If it's a 24/7 facility like a hospital, who's going to cover for the people that are supposed to be taking care of the patients? Select appropriate instructors and guest speakers. Do you need to have subject matter experts, or simply can you give it yourself after you've done some research? And then finally, evaluate the program. So since you don't actually have to give the program, I want you to just develop an evaluation tool to assess achievement of the objectives identified in Item 2 for the program. Having an evaluation is always beneficial to figure out if we should do it the same way the next time or what changes need to be done for any kind of educational endeavor.